Hello, my friends. Mason here from Wealthy and Well. I hope you're all doing well and finding balance in your lives. Today I want to talk about something that's been on my mind lately, something that I believe can truly transform our lives and our relationship with money. That's right, we're diving into the world of mindful spending and minimalism. Now, when we talk about mindful spending, it's not just about counting pennies or cutting back on lattes. It's about being fully present and aware of where our money is going, and more importantly, why it's going there. It's about aligning our spending with our values, our passions, and our purpose. It's about asking ourselves, is this purchase adding value to my life? Is it bringing me joy? Is it helping me to achieve my goals? And then there's minimalism. Now I know what you're thinking. Mason, I'm not about to sell all my possessions and live in a tiny house. And that's okay. Minimalism isn't about deprivation, it's about intentionality. It's about choosing to own less so we can focus more on what truly matters. It's about freeing ourselves from the burden of stuff so we can live richer, more fulfilling lives. Imagine a life where every purchase is a conscious choice, not an impulsive reaction. A life where we're not weighed down by clutter, but surrounded by things that bring us joy and serve a purpose. A life where we're not constantly striving for more, but content with what we have. That, my friends, is the power of mindful spending and minimalism. Now, I know this is a lot to take in, and it's not something that happens overnight. It's a journey, a process of self-discovery and growth. But I promise you, it's a journey worth taking. Before we wrap up, if you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world to me, and it helps to keep this channel going. So as we part ways today, I challenge you to take a moment to reflect on your own spending habits. Are they in alignment with your values? Are they serving your purpose? And remember, it's not about having less. It's about making room for more joy, more peace, more fulfillment. Until next time, my friends, remember to live wealthy and well. This is Mason signing off.